the floor. Okay, dear. Okay, fine. Okay, can you tell me the function of food pipe? Aaron saw me. What is the function of food pipe?
My network problem.
Ah, okay. Aaron saw me. What is the function of food pipe?
What did you say? I couldn't hear you. Function of?
Food pipe or esophagus?
Oh,
The
no.
function of esophagus is to transport
Hmm.
food from the mouth to the stomach.
Okay, mouth to the stomach. Okay, Naeem, are you
Yes.
here? Okay, fine. Okay, Priyadatta, what are the one of the juice secreted by our stomach?
Ma'am?
One of the digestive juice secreted by our stomach.
Bile juice? Can I say?
Bile juice is liver. Yes, Fatima. There are some of the liquid, apart from digestive, there are some of the liquids in our stomach. Anyone remember? That was the last I have stopped the class till there. Some acid and I was talking. Do you remember about some acid?
Ma'am, this net is so laggy.
Yes, ma'am. Amino acid.
Amino acids. Okay, amino acids. Okay. Apart from this, there is some particular liquids which will kill. Okay, I just tell you, name the acid which kill the bacteria. Do you remember? Name the acid which kill bacteria.
Ma'am, can I say?
Stomach,
Yes.
ma'am. Stomach.
No, stomach is
Ma'am,
the
it's-
acid.
Ma'am, can I say?
Anyone else? Aaron, just wait. Let me ask to someone who knows. If they don't know, I'll give you a chance.
Okay,
No
ma'am.
one remembers. Okay.
Oh, no, ma'am. I don't know me. Say the answer.
Oh, okay. So Aaron, now you tell the answer.
Ma'am, it's gastric acid.
Gastric acid. What name is there for that gastric acid, my dear Aaron?
Ma'am, don't teach us about that.
You have the doubt. I know you are the one who asked about gastric acid. When it falls on our hand, we get burned and all. Did you? I say hydrochloric acid. Do you remember that?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Normal
Yeah.
acid.
Ah, yes. Yeah. So we are coming to that. So
Ma'am, we say normal acid.
not normal acid. There is no normal acid such as, okay. It's
Eh?
a normal acid. No, it's not like that. Each acid has its own name. Each acid has its own name. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. What was the name?
The name, that is what we are going to. I think
Ma'am,
I
we
have.
should write this.
No, wait here. You are just keen on writing, huh? Not listening. So you majority, we all of you like that only. We are
ma'am,
very
listening only.
interested in
He
talking.
is very hurryful.
Okay, fine. Okay, so once again, I go to stomach because we have started here and we stopped here. Function. What is the function of the stomach? What process is taking place in the stomach? Once
Digest.
again,
Of
digestion of food. Okay. And
food.
what is the shape of the stomach? I told you.
Bag like flattened U. Eh?
U, flattened U, but in your textbook it is given flattened J. Okay, dear? So it is flattened J. Now, internet, some of the things it's given flattened U. So it's more or less J like U. So let us now think about what is in your textbook, flattened J. And next point, which is the widest part in alimentary canal? Which is the widest part in alimentary canal? So who is that? The widest part in alimentary canal? Stomach. Okay. So these are the important points of stomach. You can just note it down or you click the picture. So stomach has the function, digestion of food. Stomach, the function of the stomach is digestion of food. And second process, there are so many 5 processes I told you. Remember, Fatima, can you mention all the 5 processes involved in digestive system?
Yes, ma'am. Ingestion,
Hmm.
digestion,
Hmm.
absorption,
Hmm.
assimilation,
Okay.
and ingestion.
Injection. So ingestion takes place where?
Ingestion.
Ma'am,
In the mouth.
mouth.
And digestion is taking place in stomach. Okay. Digestion is taking place in the stomach. So first process, the stomach, the process which takes place in stomach is known as digestion. And what is the shape of the stomach? Thick walled bag like flattened J. or you can just say flattened J or flattened U. Okay, which is the widest part in alimentary canal?
Stomach.
Stomach. Alimentary
Mhm.
canal is another name for calling digestive system or digestive tract. The beginning of the lesson I have told you. All entire organs together and the glands which is present together, we call it as alimentary canal or digestive tract. Okay. Now, what is the function of the stomach? The stomach, inner lining of the stomach secretes, this is what I asked you before, okay? Mucus, hydrochloric acid, and other digestive juices.
Oh, I was asking that what is the name of this?
Okay. So these are the things. So inner lining of the stomach secretes, apart from digestive juices, it also secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and other digestive juices. So now let us now see what is the function of the mucus. Mucus protects inner lining of the stomach. The function of the mucus means it protects inner lining of the stomach. So that is the function of mucus. You can
Mucus.
see that if you touch your stomach is very smooth and tender. Okay. So
Oh, no,
someone,
it's very pain.
it pains also. Even someone just hit you for as a fun. If someone sticks you, you will get the pain in your stomach. Why? Because stomach is made up of what type of muscles? Anyone remember what you studied in 5th standard?
Hydrochloric acid. Oh, no.
Muscles. We have a different type of muscles. Anyone remember that?
No.
Okay. Any muscles? There are 3 types of muscle you have studied in 5th standard.
Hand muscle.
A hand muscle. What is another name we call for hand muscles? No idea. What do you mean by skeletal muscles? Have you heard about 3 muscles in 5th standard? Skeletal muscles.
Ma'am, smooth muscles.
Smooth muscles. Yes. So our stomach is made up of mainly smooth muscles. Okay. So that is what we have learned. So mucus protects inner lining of the stomach because our stomach is made up of very smooth muscles. Someone is just hit you, someone is just kick you, someone just beat you on your stomach, you will get pain because of that. Clear? Next is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is made up of 2 atoms. One is hydrogen, the part of chemistry,
Can
and
you hear me?
chlorine.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
This Wi-Fi is very bad.
Tell your Umma to make a very good Wi-Fi. Huh?
No, ma'am, Wi-Fi is okay, but it is automatically disconnecting.
Maybe Naima also attending the classes, correct? Your sister?
Yes, but she is near the Wi-Fi.
Even near the Wi-Fi or less the Wi-Fi signals, it should reach you, okay? In which school Naima is studying now?
Now the school itself, 9th standard.
Which school?
This school.
This school? I don't think last year I didn't see her in the school.
Last year she was in a government school.
Then
Now
why? Now she came back to the school.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
The government school is very bad.
Now she understood. She went away from the school and she came back. Okay, fine. Okay, CL acid because government school no study going on. Here we have a very good academic result. Okay, so kills bacteria, enter with the food and makes stomach acid to digest. So what is the function of hydrochloric acid? Mainly 3 function for hydrochloric acid. One is it kills bacteria. Even your mother washes the food very well. But sometimes all the germs may not be clean or may not be gone. So sometimes some kind of bacteria or germs can enter in our body. It is not only that. Even you are in the school. I have seen you. Suppose you are in the offline school. Without washing and you go and take the food from your friends. Correct, Naeem? While during the lunch time, all of you just go and pick the food. Friends sit together, you share the food one another. Sometimes you may not wash properly, naturally the germs, bacteria. Without washing, you pick up take the food. Oh, what's the sound, Naeem? Can you mute it?
Not my sound, ma'am. Here is empty.
Okay, please make some other sound. Okay, fine. It's okay. So reason is that is the time. Sometimes even you drink water, you just put it in the just take the tumbler and then you will drink it. Sometimes you may not wash before drinking the water. Thinking that your mother already washed. Of course, mother already washed maybe 3 hours, 2 hours before. But that tumbler is remaining for how many hours? So maybe some flies or mosquito something must have sit on that. Naturally, some bacteria can
Yeah.
enter. So even you wash the foods, there's a chances for entering some kind of bacteria. That is not. It kills bacteria enter with the food. And second function, makes stomach acidic to digest. Okay.
Ma'am, this is acid, stomach in acid.
Yeah,
Acid.
it is a stomach acid because stomach, whatever you eat, it is not simply digest. We require some kind of thing which has to burn all the fats and proteins, everything, and make into liquid form. So that is why makes stomach acidic, so stomach acidic to digest. Okay. Then third point, break down proteins into simpler substance. Usually proteins we get it from milk products, animal products, all the meat products. Okay, so in it contain a lot of proteins, so that is also is a complex substance. So this hydrochloric acid, when you have chicken, when you have egg, when you have milk, sometimes you have pulses, it has to break down that proteins, which is a complex substance, into simpler ones. Then only it can be digested and can be transported through the blood. So that is the stomach. So there are 3 functions for hydrochloric acid: kills bacteria, enter with the food, makes stomach to digest, break down proteins into simpler substances. So that is the main function of stomach. So that's a part of stomach. It's over. Now we are moving on to the next one, that is small intestine. The function of small intestine. Anything else? Yes. Now,
Ma'am, this
here,
all we had right in the notes, right?
yeah, no need, because already it's given in the notes. Okay. But
Ma'am,
if you have a textbook, you
Ma'am.
have this. Yes.
ma'am, do we have till that picture? No, one stomach product picture. Till that only no, we should write. Others all we should take print out. No.
Yeah. No, only book exercise I have given you questions. No, only that. Other things, function, stomach, buccal cavity, and big
Yes,
sentences
ma'am.
I have. That you take the printout. That you take.
That
Ma'am,
I
that
can't
we should
understand
study.
if it is notes
That you
or
have to be
pages,
studied
something
for
like-
your PT1 and all. It is very compulsory.
Ma'am,
You need to
and
study.
ma'am, that all I write and finished full.
Oh,
I
it's
think
okay. Even
everyone
you
will
write
try.
also, no problem. For your term one exam and all, these are the points. What I am showing in the slide, these are the same points I have put it over there. It will be helpful for you to write one word answers, then objective type questions, give reasons and all this. So for that, you need to study. For this PT1, we don't have this. Okay. For this
Ma'am,
PT1,
when S7 or written test coming,
maybe term 1, I think so. We have not yet confirmed. Okay.
we also think so.
So wait, now you just study for your this exam. Clear? That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are moving to small intestine. The stomach has a function of digestion. Similarly, small intestine does the function, 2 functions over there: absorption and assimilation. Now, what is the length of the small intestine? It is the length is more than the large intestine, 7.5 meter long. Our intestine is 7.5 meter long, and it has been coiled. Coiled means it has just make it a wind around it and it is placed it. You must have seen the picture what I show in the beginning, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So let us see once again
Should
that
I-
picture.
should we
This
draw
one.
that picture, ma'am?
Yes, picture you have to draw. If it for a descriptive answers, you should have 5 mark question. You have to draw or label it. Sometimes I'll give the picture and you have to label the parts. Okay. So you can see this is our small intestine. Okay. That means small intestine has 7.5 meter length and it has been coiled. Coiled means it is just wind around and very narrow it is. Okay. Yes.
What is that, ma'am?
That I will show you after we finishes other things. Okay. Let us now study this. And what else? Other function. Small intestine receives secretions from liver and pancreas. So there are two important parts which is connected to small intestine. One is the liver. Another one is our pancreas. And we also have learned that it has got a gallbladder also. It also contains gallbladder. Okay. So actually, liver is not inside the small intestine. Actually, it is not inside the small intestine. It is just connected to abdomen of your stomach. That is down part of your stomach, where the small intestine starts where? From the upper down part of the stomach, the small intestine starts. Okay, that's the reason. So, and also liver also. And you must have remembered about gallbladder. What type of juice gallbladder stores?
Ma'am, bile juice.
Bile juice. It
Bile
was
juice.
bile juice. Okay. So, reddish brown color. What is the color of the liver? Reddish brown color.
Brown.
And upper part of the abdomen on right side. It is situated on the abdomen means upper your stomach down part. So we can tell upper part of abdomen means down part of the stomach, there little up. That is the meaning. Okay.
What, ma'am?
Abdomen means what, Naeem? Abdomen.
I don't.
Don't know. Abdomen means down part of the stomach. Okay.
Okay.
Down
no.
part of the stomach. There on right side. What is located? Liver is located. Liver is located at the abdomen on right side. Yes.
On the back of our body, no? Back.
On the back. Where is abdomen? Where's the stomach? Is it back or front?
Front stomach.
Right.
What are you talking about is kidney. Okay. Kidney is at the back.
Okay.
Okay.
Liver also.
Okay. This is stomach is on, stomach in front. Kidney, stomach, all are more or less connected. But according to human structure, it may be little down part of it. Okay. Clear?
Why they with this is
Next is, it is the, who is the largest gland in human body? Liver. Liver is the largest gland in human body. And what does it secretes? What juice?
Bile juice.
Yeah,
bile juice.
bile juice. And where it is stored? In gallbladder. So in this one sentences, there are so many questions. The first question, which is the largest gland in human body? That I already mentioned to you in the beginning of the lesson. Second one, what does the liver secrete? Liver secretes bile juice. Third point, where does the bile juice store? So bile juice store at the gallbladder. It is just like a sac. Clear? Yes. What is the color of the liver?
Reddish.
Reddish brown. It is not pure reddish brown. What is the length of the small intestine?
7.5.
7.5 meter long. Okay, good. Now, hello. Yes. Next, I hope bile. What is the function of the bile juice? Bile helps
in digestion facts.
Fats. Already digestion of fats. Stomach. We learned about protein can be digested. Who digested the proteins in the stomach? Which acid? Hydrochloric acid. That is, you have learned previous slide, no?
Yes.
And who break down the carbohydrates into simpler substance?
Kidney.
Kidney or?
Stomach.
Not stomach. It is from the buccal cavity. Where does the complex substances starch into, break down into Sugar. Who
Eat.
does there? Where it is happening?
Mouth.
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 Salivary gland. Yes, salivary gland. After
The
chewing,
nose, no.
inside mouth, saliva, everything mixed together.
Ma'am,
And it,
Rehan and Riha drawing on the board.
what are they drawing? Let me
Look at
see
the
what
board.
nonsense you are doing. Huh?
Look at the board so
Which board? I didn't see anything over there.
And you cannot.
Ma'am, you can.
I cannot see. Usually when they draw, I will able to see. I have disabled the share screen. How you can see then? Huh?
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am,
See that.
ma'am, you
What?
share the board once again. Wait. I will rub it. Yeah,
I
want-
can't see anything. Okay. Anyway, we
Wait,
continue.
wait. Can you see this?
No, I cannot see anything over here.
What?
Maybe it must not have reached here. That your signals must be low. Here I cannot see anything. Okay.
Ma'am, now
Rehan?
can you...
Now I can see. Naeem, rub
Okay,
it off.
Okay, okay,
Rub it off now.
okay.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Children,
my next...
listen carefully. After this, please
Ma'am.
remember, I am going to give you a daily test now. So that time you should remember all this, not simply playing over there. Heard? So many points you have learned. Now, this week onwards, daily test also starts.
Ma'am, in 5th standard, we was having.
Not only 5th standard, because last year it was online first time. So we did not conduct. Some teachers were conducting. I did not conduct. So this time daily test also is there. So please remember that whatever I am teaching. Clear? We completed stomach. We completed small intestine. And small intestine not it completed. So please remember. 2 more
Ma'am.
minutes. By
Ma'am.
35, I will start the daily test.
What, ma'am? Daily test? Which
Yes.
daily test?
Is it new for you? Huh?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
like,
We have
No.
offline. Whether you are away from us, whatever you had in offline, this year we have seminar, programs,
Ma'am.
everything. Okay,
ma'am,
fine.
that daily test, like,
Keep quiet now. Now next is pancreas. So okay, I did not complete the about this. The bile, what is the function of bile? Bile juice helps in digestion of
Helps.
fats. Hydrochloric acid helps in digesting proteins. Salivary gland helps in digesting salivary carbohydrates and the starch. Okay. Another one is pancreas. Large cream. What is the color of the pancreas? Cream color. It's a cream colored gland located below the stomach and secretes what? Pancreatic juice. It secretes pancreatic juice. Okay, dear.
yeah, ma'am.
And what does they do? Pancreatic juice also help us to digest carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It's not only that. Pancreatic juice also helps for digesting all the carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Okay. Here. So,
And don't change the board.
so only this much. Small intestine, we need little more time. So I wind up the session now. The remaining session we will continue in the next class. So these are the some. Yeah, these are the
daily
some important.
Ma'am, daily.
Daily test, ma'am.
Yes, that is what I stopped now. 5 more minutes I stopped to have a daily test. Okay. Yes.
Oh, no, bless me. Okay.
From today's
Now,
question.
Now what you should do? Whatever question I ask, send the answer in the. Send the
Stop
answer.
that talk.
Send the answer in my mail. Okay.
Okay.
This is my mail. I don't
What?
want in WhatsApp. I didn't want in WhatsApp because my WhatsApp will be hanged like anything. So I don't want. This is my
Ma'am, it is
email
not
ID.
clear.
Liesel Dixon. Okay, I'll write it with other
Ma'am.
color. L.
Ma'am, not the color. That
Ma'am, you
like-
just send your email in the WhatsApp, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So we can just
LIESEL DIXIN at gmail.com. So keep it this.
Ma'am, capital or
No,
small letter?
everything is small letter. Everything is small letter. This you keep it for you all the daily test. I don't want in WhatsApp. It should be in this thing. So I give you some questions. You just answer it
How to
and
send?
you write it. You type it in your WhatsApp or something and then you share it in my mail like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is really spaces.
Now you can write it in a paper. Afterwards, you type it that answers and send it to them. Which space?
Ma'am,
No
can we
space.
send
No
that
space. No
page
space.
photo?
No space. No space. Yes.
Ma'am.
What? I'm going to stop the sharing now.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Okay. I hope everyone remember some of the things are here.
Ma'am, what's the
Pencil
question,
or
ma'am?
something.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what's the question?
Now listen. Listen. First question. Right.
Okay,
Answer
wait.
only you write. Which
Yeah,
is the largest gland in human body? You write
Okay,
in
that's
paper and afterwards type it and send my mail after this class. Okay.
Okay,
Which
ma'am.
is the largest gland in human body?
Okay, ma'am. Second question.
Second question.
Okay.
Name the juice secreted by liver. Name
Okay.
the juice secreted by liver. Third point.
Okay.
What is the function of mucus?
What?
Is the function of mucus?
Mucus.
Naeem, you keep quiet. You're talking too much. Okay, I'll just remove you from this.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What
can you
is the
repeat
fact?
the second?
Second question. Which juice secreted by liver? Third question. What is the function of mucus? Fourth, you can write it in
Ma'am,
one word
mucus.
only. One
Ma'am,
word only.
mucus.
Mucus. Then fourth question. Name the acid which kills bacteria. Name the acid which kills bacteria. Name the acid which kills bacteria.
Okay, ma'am.
Last question. What is the length of the small intestine? What is the
third question?
which question, dear?
Third
Third question. What is the function of mucus? You write one word sentence only. No need a big thing.
And fourth question.
Fourth question. Name the acid which kill bacteria. And last question. What is the length of the small intestine?
Ma'am, attendance.
Okay, attendance I
third
already.
And question can you say? Ma'am,
Huh?
fourth one.
Fifth one.
What is the length of the small intestine?
Okay.
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Name the acid which kill bacteria.
Ma'am, can you repeat the third?
Third.
What is the function of mucus?
Ma'am, sixth.
Sixth, not sixth. Only 5 questions. Okay.
Second one.
First question. First question, which is the largest gland? Second question, which is the digestive juice secreted by liver? Third question, what is the function of mucus? Fourth question, name the acid which kill bacteria. And fifth question, what is the length of small intestine? Okay. By then, send it in mail now only. I know you are free. Before you go for bed or go to sleep,
And what
just
is
give.
the third question? What is the function of mucus?
Mucus.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahan.
My mother and father is not in the house, so when they will come, I will send.
Okay, then you only send in WhatsApp. Others don't send. You send the answer in WhatsApp to me. Okay? Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.